Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have brought an internship file for B.Ed students. This is last semester final and first page जो आपका रहेगा उसमें आपके कॉलेज का नेम होगा, किस ईयर में आप कर रहे हो B.Ed, that will be mentioned, your semester, that is fourth semester, then the department that we are submitting it to, then your name and roll number. Next page we will have this content, your index page, where you will have all the content जो कि आप फाइल में देंगे, like acknowledgement, internship certificate, details of a school, school infrastructure, regulations, school fee structure, teaching and non-teaching staff, syllabus covered, timetable, internship records, morning assembly, co-curricular activities, celebration of important days, school examination, significance of attendance, record of students, relevance of parent-teacher meeting, importance of inclusive environment, efforts made by the intern to promote vaccination. This was, ये शायद आपके में ना हो because जब हमने B.Ed किया था तो कोविड चल रहा था, तो मे बी दिस ये आपके कंटेंट में ना हो. नेक्स्ट इज समरी एंड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द इंटर्न एंड सजेशन फॉर फर्दर इम्प्रूवमेंट. तो ये जो भी कंटेंट आपको आपके कॉलेज के थ्रू मिलता है वो सब कुछ कवर करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज विल बी ऑफ द डिटेल्स ऑफ द स्कूल. स्कूल का नेम होगा, लोकेशन, स्कूल की जो भी लोकेशन है वो लिखेंगे, कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ, कौन से बोर्ड से अफिलिएटेड है, कौन सा मीडियम है, हिंदी या इंग्लिश, लेवल कौन सा है, टाइप कौन सा है, मैनेजर का नाम क्या है, प्रिंसिपल का क्या नाम है. यू विल हैव टू मेंशन दैट. नेक्स्ट यू विल राइट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द स्कूल इज डन. देन यू विल पुट योर सर्टिफिकेट. आपका सर्टिफिकेट आप लगाओगे जो कि आपको स्कूल से ही मिला होगा. This is your acknowledgement. You'll write this acknowledgement, or the acknowledgement that you want to put, you can write it by yourself. Next content, next part of the index, that is the school infrastructure. स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में आप का जो स्कूल है, जिस स्कूल में आपने इंटर्नशिप करी है उसके बारे में लिखेंगे. तो पहले तो हमने स्कूल के बारे में लिखा है कि स्कूल क्या होता है, कैसा होता है, क्या चीज़ें होती है स्कूल में. Then we will write meaning and definition of a school or infrastructure. So the term infrastructure is a comprehensive and there are a number of aspects that are included in it. These includes playground, library facilities, laboratory, computer centers, technology, machinery, tools, equipments, and so forth. According to John Dewey, school is a special environment where a certain quality of life and certain types of activities and occupations are provided with the objective of securing the child's development along desirable lives. Then नेक्स्ट, स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है वो क्या है. सो वी हैव पॉइंट्स हियर ऑफ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Then comes impact of a school infrastructure on quality of education, in which we have written attendance and completion of education, teachers' motivation, overall development of the student, comfortable space for students and teachers, mental well-being with which enhance the student's ability to learn. नेक्स्ट कम components of infrastructure कि स्कूल में क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. So the key components are spacious and well ventilated classrooms, libraries, playgrounds, well organized and equipped labs, facilities such as the study table, chairs, furniture and basic utilities such as water, electricity, etc., study hall, games equipment, sanitation system, assembly area, etc. So these are the components of infrastructure. Now we have written about those components. The school building, how should be the school building? It should be whether of U-shaped or L-shaped. Then what should be the classroom infrastructure? It should be large enough to carry 30 to 40 students, and there should be natural light and proper ventilation in the class. Then furniture. Each of the classroom must have adequate number of chairs and tables for the students, and the storage capacity must be there in the capacity of the staff room for teachers. That means in staff room also there should be the storage capacity and chairs and tables. Then sanitation, there should be good sanitation, drinking water should be there, and separate toilets for girls and boys and for teachers also. Then coming on to next, playgrounds, how should be the playgrounds? Then library, it should have all the books that are in course, newspapers, etc., moral stories books. Then computer labs and science lab, it should have all the equipments that are required for experiments. Then coming on to this school infrastructure, that in what you were doing internship. So like this is the Oxford Academy school infrastructure. So the glimpse of the schools are, first these are the quotes. Then you'll write about द स्कूल जिसमें भी आपने इंटर्नशिप करी है उसके बारे में लिखेंगे कि वो एक प्राइवेट स्कूल है, को एजुकेशनल स्कूल है, मतलब बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स दोनों ही पढ़ते हैं. एंड इट इज़ एन ऑथराइज्ड स्कूल एफिलिएटेड टू यूपी बोर्ड, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी मीडियम बोथ, Montessori to 8th. Then what is the history of the school? You have to write it, that a particular school is located in which place, who is the manager, when was it established, and everything about the school you have to mention it. Then coming on to what are the objectives of the school that you were doing internship in. So the first one is to promote positive attitude towards creativity, allowing students to actively engage in learning process, to offer high quality academically sound education to students in a supportive and understanding environment, to provide a wide variety of stimulating learning experiences, and to allow to acquire the concepts, skills, and attitude necessary to develop their full individual potential, to help students to assess their own abilities and become independent learners, to be able to solve problems and to work in groups. Then to provide a stable, secure, and welcoming atmosphere for all individuals within the school. Next is what are the school timings. So here we have written that each academic year is divided in two sessions, summers and winters. Summer timing starts from April and ends in October 31st. Winter starts from November 1 and continues up to the end of the session. So the school timings for summers are whatever your school is having the school timing for summers, you'll write that, and school timing for winters. Then about school building, how is it? Next, coming on to general information about the school, about classrooms, that how many classrooms are there, how many furnitures are there in the classroom, then is there proper ventilation and lighting in the classroom or not, what is the total strength of one classroom, and how many classrooms are there in the school. So you have to write about it in this particular section. Then coming on to next point, that is washrooms. So there is a clean and tidy separate washrooms for girls and boys, and separate washroom for teachers also. So total number of washrooms are 3. Then recreational rooms, where there are toys and cars for the little ones, decorated for small kids accordingly. Then accounts office, where fees is deposited. About that you have to write. Next is principal office. Then canteen and drinking water facilities. Next comes library. About school library, you will have to write it. Next point is playground. Then comes the staff room. The staff room is referred to a room where the teachers of the school sit and keep the essentials such as book, copies, answer sheets, etc. The staff room of the school is well ventilated and has proper lighting. Water coolers is also available in the staff room for teachers. The staff room consists of table and chairs for teachers. It has cupboards and shelves for teachers to keep their stuffs in it safely. No student is allowed in the staff room unless and until any teacher asks them to come. Thank you for watching the video. This is just the first part of internship file. I will be uploading the second part soon. So keep a watch on my channel and get notified. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.